So we're learning about descriptive statistics here. We're learning about numeric measures which serve as descriptive statistics. They describe what's going on with our data in our data sets. And we have two more to learn about. One is a five number summaries and the other is a box plot. And so these are two more descriptive statistics that are numeric measures which we can use to gain insights into our data. And we're not going to worry too much about these. They're not something that you have to carry with you throughout the rest of the course. So these are just kind of nice to know right now. They might be something that you have an assignment on, that you do a problem on. So it's good to know about them in this chapter, but don't worry too much about, that these are not something that are significant that you need to carry with you throughout the rest of the course. So here's a 5-number summary. So it's basically just kind of going from your lowest value to your largest value. And it shows you your lowest value, your first quartile, your median, your third quartile, and the largest value. So you can kind of see, right, like the quartiles here, and the lowest, median, and largest values there. And the median is also your second quartile. That's a 5-number summary. It's just like a descriptive statistic, a numeric measure, which gives you insight into your data. And then we have box plots, and this is what a box plot looks like. So it's just something you could draw out. So down here we have a scale with numbers, and on here we can see this is where our first quartile is. Here's our third quartile, and then between those is our median, which is the middle of our data. It's the median of the row, it's the middle of the data, and that's our second quartile. The difference between the third and the first quartile is known as the interquartile range. And if you multiply the interquartile range by 1.5, that's just the way these box plots are created. You get a certain number, and at that becomes the lower limit and the upper limit of your data, and anything outside the lower and upper limit is considered a potential outlier. So that's what a box plot looks like, and limits are located using the interquartile range. So here's the interquartile range, here's the lower limit, there's the upper limit. Data outside these are considered outliers or potentially outliers. The locations of each outlier are shown with the symbol, this little symbol here, a little star. And a box plot's a graphical summary of data that's based on the 5-number summary. A key to the development of the box plot is computation of the median and the quartiles. Box plots provide another way to identify outliers. So that's box plots. And here's a little kind of calculation of the upper limit and the lower limit. And then, what we still have coming is measures of association between two variables. We'll do that in the next coming videos. See you in the next videos.